Hello, how's it going? Now I'm here to tell you that I will be painting this particular painting in French Escapade, California, live and in May 27th to 29th. So if you are interested, then I am also providing a good discount in that. The discount is pretty big. Now, if you are interested, then this is the best time to register. Otherwise, you will be missing up on a huge amount of discount. So, see you there, and I hope you enjoy the painting. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching.